Hey Mom and Dad,
What is it, Dark Bowser?
can I go see the 4th of July fireworks with my friends?
No.
Why? Why can't I go?
Because you're still grounded. And you cannot go see the 4th of July fireworks with your friends while grounded.
Now go back upstairs to your room right now, and don't go see the 4th of July fireworks while grounded.
Fine. Whatever. I don't care what my parents are saying. I am going to see the 4th of July fireworks with my friends, and that's a capital final. And I will do this by sneaking out of the window.
Hello Dark Bowser. Are you ready to see the fireworks for the 4th of July?
Yes, I am Dark Mini Bowser.
I agree with you, Dark Bowser.
Me too.
Me 3.
And me 4. And this is so going to be very exciting for this.
Oh look. The fireworks are coming now.
When the fireworks are done.
Wow. Those fireworks are amazing. Right guys?
Yes, those fireworks are the coolest Dark Bowser.
I agree with Dark Mini Bowser.
Me too.
Me 3.
And me 4. Those were the coolest fireworks on the 4th of July.
Anyways, I will see you guys later.
See you later, Dark Bowser.
See you later, Dark Bowser.
See you later, Dark Bowser.
When Dark Bowser got home.
Dark Bowser, where have you been? And did you go see the 4th of July fireworks with your friends while grounded? Tell us the truth right now.
Yes, I did. I went to see the 4th of July fireworks with my friends while grounded because it is 4th of July.
Dark Bowser, we can't believe you went to see the 4th of July fireworks with your friends while you're still grounded. And you have disobeyed us. That's it. You are super grounded for 894 years.
Go to your room right now, or we will send you to Georgia.
Wow.